Let's have a look at few accessories from DDhifi. This is their TC44 Pro. They have refreshed the last gen with this one. It's very similar, but has a different outer casing, and I like this form factor. To be precise, this is very small, no cable needed, and it's either Type C or Lightning. So there are no additional cable required to connect it with your phone, and that is much more convenient. It doesn't take any extra space or any extra effort. At times when we are traveling, what happens is we are unable to control the cable. To be precise, the cable isn't exactly very convenient, but what can one do? With dongles we need to take care of the cable too. So this is takes care of that. There is no cable, only this DDhifi TC44 Pro goes directly in the Type C port, and this is it. This will do the heavy lifting. There is no other option either. There is no 3.5 mm or anything like that. 44 stands for 4.4 mm, and this is what it is. Small, compact, and reasonably powerful. I will not say this is very powerful or anything like that. I think 125 mw, 120 mw dual channel, and the good thing is that they are using two of CS43131, so decoding abilities and stuff are very good. The power is a bit on the lower side, but I think it should be good with some IEMs, definitely not all, but should be decent with most of the IEMs. And since it is balanced, it is supposed to perform reasonably. This is a lanyard eyelet. I'm not exactly sure why they will do this, because yeah, definitely it gives it a kind of grippy kind of thing. You will pick this up instead of picking the dongle up. Or I think I won't be able to call this a dongle. I'll have to call it a USB device, definitely, because it's not dangling or anything like that. So this will go in here. I'm not sure. I'll have to put in a pin or something to pull it out in this direction. But in any case, let's put it aside and look at the other two cables here. This is the Type C cable. This is this is actually a decent option when compared to this, but the power of this isn't exactly great. So that's the thing we are looking at. It's not showing the power, but it's not on the higher side. So that's the issue here with microphone. So that's a great thing. Connector, good quality, lids, high purity OCC they are saying. So let's have a look. It can be bought in both MMCX and 2 pin. So this is MMCX, since the Janus is MMCX. M120B. Very similar kind of packaging, but the cable is supposed to be, oh, nice. Very similar to the Janus cable, but this one is slightly different in color. Similar connectors, similar connectors. The wire splitter. Okay, this is the wire splitter. So act as a mic and the button. Decent amount of feedback on the button, and the cable is of good quality. There isn't much memory or anything like that. You guys can see, very supple, reasonably supple, not very, but this won't tangle or anything like that, so that's a good thing about that. Fairly low profile, good quality USB-C cable, so you can use it directly with the phone without any dongle or anything like that, without bothering about that. So this is a good thing too. Let's have a look at one of the more mainstream kind of product. 3.5 mm cable from DDhifi. This one too has microphone, and this is 2 pin. This is with 2 pin. M120A 3.5 mm. Nothing fancy here, but the cable quality is supposed to be of very good quality. So these are microphone cables. Okay, so these are for convenience, not exactly they are going to push the envelope for audiophile quality or anything like that, but they are more about usability. Similar connectors and similar mic here, but the cable, as I said, is of good quality, very good quality, and no cable guides. This is an excellent thing. I like this kind of thing. No cable guides to worry about. It will not bother you much, but yes, cable guides are at times a bit more convenient. They make the IM stay put in place. In any case, this is good. I will compare it with the 120B A and B. Let's see how they compare with each other. I do not have similar cables in this price range, but I'll see what I can compare this with. We will see. So this is the unboxing of M120B, M120A, 120B, 120A, and TC44 Pro. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.